This is my official C Baldwin review. We're out here at the C Baldwin. Just one night, just wanted to check everything out. Been wanting to check out this hotel for a while. It's really quiet. It's a Saturday. It is really cold right now. It's probably in the 40s. And give y'all a peek, see if there's somewhere you want to stay. This is one of the best smelling hotels. The decor is amazing. Every detail that you can think of, great art, beautiful, clean, comfortable. This is the large corner room, you know, the floor to ceiling windows. It was a very comfortable and relaxing stay. Wish I could have stayed longer, but it was very thought off and very spacious, which I always love. And you have to love the nightscapes that come with it. We have a gorgeous workout area with everything that you need, Peloton bike that you can just use, and here's one of the main features, which is the lobby bar. It is very nice, very thoughtful. Rosalie, amazing food. They had this Valentine's Day menu that I had to try, just delicioso. It's great. It was lovely, but the only downside is you don't have a pool on the location. You do need a permit to shoot here, which wasn't disclosed, but you know, I got around it the best that I could. But it is a great place to take photos and video, especially if you're on your phone. They're not going to say anything about that. And the food is great, great location. Check it out.